If you want to stabilize your video through Capcut application, so in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can do that. So for that you need to open your Capcut application, then import any video in the Capcut application and click on that video, scroll down, and here you have an option for stabilize. You just need to click on stabilize. Then you have three options, three modes to stabilize your video. First is minimal cropping. This will stabilize your video but not too much. Then you have option for medium stabilization, which is recommended. You can just click on that, then your video will be stabilized, which is recommended stabilization. Then you have most stabilized option. Then your video will be most stabilized. Okay, now your video will be stabilized. Okay, so this is how you can use stabilize function for stabilizing your video in the Capcut application.